Hello student, I am Sandeep Kumar Sinha. Welcome back to my channel with a pleasant news for you all people. Now without wasting any time, I am just coming to the scheme of tabulation of marks for class 12 CBSE board examinations 2021. The CBSE had devised a formula according to which marks would be given. Assessment of the theory portions, whether it is of 80 marks, 70 marks, 60 marks or 50 or 30, would be done by the school according to a certain formula. That is, from class 12 examinations, school based examinations, any unit test or midterm examinations और प्री बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस, उस हिस्से का 40% मार्क्स of the total marks of the theory paper would be taken from your class 12 assessment in the school. Now the 30% would come from the class 11th marks. 11th का marks जो होगा वो क्या होगा? Marks would be based on the theory paper of the final term examination of all the subjects taken together, and the remaining 30% would be from class 10th board examination that you have just given in an offline mode. So 30% marks, that is marks based on the average. You have written 5 papers, but out of those 5 papers, any 3 best papers would be taken into consideration, and the average marks in those 3 best papers would be considered for the assessment of your marks for 2021 class 12 examinations. So 30% from class 10th, 30% from class 11th and 40% from class 12. So this is for the theory paper. Now so far as practical paper is concerned or internal assessment is concerned, assessment will be on actual basis. No alteration would be made in these marks. Then whatever marks were uploaded by the school on the CBSE portal, that would be taken as it is without any alteration. Now the most important question, कैसे calculation होगा marks का? Now just have a look at the distribution of marks, which is more important for you people. Suppose the theory paper is of 80 marks. Theory paper जो हमारा है वो 80 नंबर का है, and during the class 10th examination, suppose you scored out of the best 3 average marks is 90. Means out of 100 you got 90. Then you have to just convert it into out of 80 how much you get. The out of 80 it is equal to 72. अब ये 72 is your score out of 80. 30% of that would be taken, that is equal to 22. So this is 22 out of 24 you will get if the theory paper is of 80 marks. Similarly, if the paper is to be converted into out of 70, so out of 70 it is equal to 63. Means your score is 63, and 30% of 63 you would be given, that is equal to round figure में 19. So this is the figure 19 जो हमारा यहाँ पर है out of 70. Similarly, at the class 11th examination, final examination paper, let's suppose that you got 80%, your average marks was 80, that is 80%. Then out of 80 it is equal to how much? That is 64. Means you got 64 out of 80. So 30% of this 64 would be equal to 19.2, that is round up suppose 19. तो अगर ये हमारा 80 marks का theory paper है, then you got 30%, that is from class 11, which is 19 marks. But if it is to be converted into 70 theory paper, if it is of 70 marks, suppose science papers are 70 plus 30 practicals, PHE is also 70 plus 30 practical, तो 70 marks का होगा, then it is equal to 56 out of 70, and 30% of this 56 would be 16.8, and is rounded to suppose 17, means you got 17 out of 21, that is in this 30% marks of class 11. And if the class 12 examination assessment is there, UT, unit test, midterm examinations or pre-board examinations, and you suppose got 70%. So out of 80, how much you got? 56, and 40% of that is this is equal to 22.4, which is round up to the suppose it is 22. तो 22 ये आ गया हमारा. Now if the marks it will be converted into out of 70, so it is 70, it is 49, and 40% of 49 is 19.6, which is rounded to 20 marks. Then the student gets 20. So that is a simple calculation. If the 80 marks is divided into 24, that is 30% of class 10, 24, 30% of class 11, and 32 that is remaining, that is 40% of class 12 exam. And suppose 20 marks is the practical in the segment 80 theory paper, and the total सब कुछ जोड़ के जो आया हमारा क्या, that is suppose you got 17 marks in practical or internal assessment examination that is already uploaded on the CBSE portal by the school. Now the total it is 80, your score would be 80, I mean you got 80% marks. ठीक है. Now similarly if the theory paper is of 70 marks, then the marks distributed हमारा कैसे है, 30% 21 that is from class 10, 30% from class 11 that is 21 marks, and the remaining 40% from class 12 that is 28 marks. And suppose out of 30 practical जो पेपर हमारा है 30 का है, तो you got suppose 25. So if you get the total, then you get what is 81 marks. So that is all about the scheme of tabulation of marks in your examination. One more point is to be, I just want to give to you, that is results. Maybe results would be declared by 31st of July. Don't worry, moderation would be there in the interest of the student. All the best guys. Thank you very much.